Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Goods. If scheduling meetings is stressing you out, stick around. Because today, we're checking out TidyCal, the simplest way to book, manage, and even get paid for meetings. Scheduling meetings shouldn't feel like a full-time job. That's where TidyCal comes in, a powerful, user-friendly tool that helps you streamline your calendar without the clutter. Whether you're a solopreneur, product manager, or part of a growing agency, TidyCal makes scheduling smooth and stress-free. Most calendar tools are bloated with features you'll never use. TidyCal gives you what matters: clean design, customizable options, and fast setup. You can create your own booking page in minutes and share it with clients, teammates, or anyone else. No email ping pong needed. Set your availability exactly how you want. You can define custom schedules, block out certain days, and add buffers between meetings. Whether you're off for a holiday or just want breathing room between calls, you stay fully in control. You also get unlimited booking types: one-on-one, group, free, or paid sessions. Tailor each booking for different lengths, purposes, or events. You can even use date polls so invitees vote on the best time to meet. Super helpful for teams and group events. TidyCal connects with Google, Office 365, and iCal to keep your availability accurate. You can sync multiple calendars to avoid conflicts and auto-generate links with Zoom or Google Meet, or just add your own custom link. If you charge for your time, TidyCal makes it easy. Accept payments via Stripe or PayPal, and showcase your services through TidyCal's exclusive directory. It's GDPR compliant and integrates with Zapier for workflow automation. With custom booking pages, deep integrations, and powerful features, TidyCal helps you schedule smarter. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a drop from Tech Goods.